this is Cindy Crane with the Heart, and I'm back with a loaded bag project. So just want to share the paper sacks that I use. Now, you can use regular lunch bags, and I have done that. I've created a lot of projects using these lunch bags, and so I think I'm going to create a playlist because I do have quite a few projects where I've used these. I've made paper bag cards. I've done loaded bags. Let's see. I've done gift bags. I've kind of cut them down and made cute little gift bags, and I've decorated those. I've done albums. So they really are versatile. They're fairly inexpensive. You always can get, the ones that you can buy like 50 or 100 for, $4 at Target. I mean, you can buy those too. But I really do like these. And they come in different colors. Right now, I think I have craft, black, white, and pink, maybe even red. And I do use them quite a bit. So those are the ones I use. So what I did, this is for, and this is going to serve as a VR for West Coast Crafty Babe. She's having a little challenge. It's to make your favorite project. I basically kind of put together a bag with stuff that I had on my desk and, different things that I've made, and I kind of just have in my stash ready to go because I'm getting ready to go on a trip, and I just thought I just want to get this mailed. And I'm not going international or anything crazy. I'm just going somewhere very, very close by. Anyway, so there's the sack. I used paper that came in my Darcy's kit, so I'm really trying to use that. I actually had to cancel my kit. It's just a lot of products, and I just don't have the time. I don't always like all the stamps that I get. So it's kind of like why I don't really do very many mystery boxes anymore, because I just really prefer to pick out my own stuff. They do send cute stuff, but it's just too much. So the La La Land I tend to like. I think there was only one kit so far that I was kind of like on. But for the most part, I really enjoy the kit for La La Land. Anyway, here's the bag. And it's very, very simple. I just took one of these tags that I made recently and stuck that at the front as a decoration, but it can easily peel off and be used. And then in the front, these are sort of Easter-inspired little bows. They fit right in here. And just so you know, all I did was take the paper sack and just glue the sides. And they're not glued that well either, but glued the sides. And then the back, I took a card that I actually hadn't put onto a card yet, just the card front. And then I just adhered 3 sides to it, created a pocket. And then in here, this is something that I had made last year with some scrap products. And so it's just a cute it's got little butterflies in here. These are some little cut aparts that can be used. There's a tag in here. And so just kind of a cute and fun little project, little cut aparts back here. And then I just place that right back here. And so it's in there for her to use. Now in here, I put, this is a card kit. So in the Darcy's kit of the month that you get, they give you, examples, but they're done on cardstock. So you can cut them out and use them as cards. So I've done that here. And then they give you all the pieces to put it together. So I just cut out the pieces, place them in here, and that way it's a little card kit that you can put together. And then an additional little card. And then in the back part, just have a couple things. I have this, which is, I got this from Hobby Lobby when they're on sale, and some little perler beads that can be used as little, shakers and so on. And so that's my project. Really easy. So, if you're somebody who, you want to use up your scraps and you make a bunch of projects, bows and tags and things like that, and then you have to throw together a quick loaded bag, it's great that you have those things ready to go, because then you can put this together in like 15 minutes. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to visit West Coast Crafty Babe. I'll have her channel linked below in the comment section or the description section so that you can go visit if you want to join the challenge or if you just want to see what other people have done, because she'll probably be showing all their projects. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Create the Heart.